Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on our TPR play. I actually went live on YouTube earlier in search of an afternoon play because I posted our chat room results, and of course you weren't with us live in the chat room, so I went live on YouTube just to search for a play so you can see how everything unfolds during the day. Okay, so let's see how our TPR worked out. Okay, so here's the chart of TPR. If you go back and look at our live stream, you'll see that we actually shorted it right in this area with our target, this green dotted line. And it took about an hour to hit our target once you were in the position. But if you risked $500 on the play, you ended up making a little over $1,000 for that trade. Not bad for an afternoon play. So this one again was called just for YouTube viewers and live, not in the chat room. I actually went back in the chat room and posted something else for the players in the chat room later this afternoon. So anyway, if you want to learn how I trade and more information on my class, my style, and what I do, you can email me at my email right here below the green dotted line. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.